Hello and welcome to this TPdoc onboarding video that covers the comprehensive information. This section includes the more descriptive business information, adding context to the TP model and how that fits within the business of the group. Let's have a look. The organizational part shows how the group is structured or organized. For example, here, where is the group headquartered and by whom? Then in the next step, users can upload a group legal structure chart, and the same goes for uploading the org charts of the local entities below. At the bottom, there is a text box for users to explain any business restructurings, acquisitions, and/or other changes to the group's organizational structure. The second pane provides more of a deep dive into the group's business and basically includes a lot of these text boxes. Also tables to show the group's history, the business strategy, key competitors, etc. All of these following the content requirements as provided in the OECD TP guidelines. For the value chain, it's good to note that users can upload a picture that will also automatically be plotted in the master file. Further below, users can elaborate on the intangibles of the group. They can indicate the type of intangible here, and below they can perform a DEMPI analysis regarding the intangibles. Going back a bit, they can also indicate whether there was a transfer of ownerships in the intangibles of the group. At the bottom, users can explain again via the text box descriptions the internal and external financial and tax positions of the group. Here, users can also upload the financial statements for audit purposes and as attachments to the master and local files. Finally, at the bottom, users can indicate who is preparing the TP documentation for the group, and they can also arrange useful abbreviations to be used in the files themselves. That is in short how you can add the more descriptive comprehensive information in TPdoc. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again in the next video.